Hey guys, we are back once again with our second bonus video for Christmas Day, and this is another Monster Jam Monster Dirt set. And as you notice, this set's packaged a little bit differently than the Megalodon set that we unboxed earlier. The Megalodon was in kind of a rectangle box, and Megalodon was in a windowed area on the box. Now, El Toro Loco on this one is exposed and such. So the box is a little smaller. I don't know which one is the newest release. It was Megalodon or El Toro Loco. There's also the Dragon one available here. So there's three different sets that are at our disposal, and I think the Dragon is packaged like this. I'm going to guess that maybe the Megalodon is the newest release, but I'm not sure. So anyways, let's get it out and look at it. It's pretty much going to be the same thing, just different packaging than the Megalodon. Say hi, Ethan.
Hi.
And say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, yes. So, yeah, Ethan is with us, and these are his that he got for Christmas. And we're going to do something a little different because this is easy to get at. I'm going to go ahead and just snip the rubber bands there and take El Toro Loco off and show you guys. These are cool in this dirt set because the tires look like they have dirt stuck in the treads already. So that is pretty sweet. And then the paint job on El Toro is great. That deep orange with the flames on it. So that'll look good even with Ethan's 5 alarm set here. Use him on fire through. He looks good. He's got flames too. Alright, so Ethan's playing with those trucks and the 5 alarm fire through set that we just unboxed for you guys too. And if you didn't see that video on the 5 alarm set that we have back there that Ethan's playing with, that we just did a video on. So look in our library of videos and you will find it there. And such. So, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this tab here. Probably not doing the best unboxing that could be done on this, but there we go, I just ripped it. There you go. This is what is left down in there. And actually the shovel for this one actually looks cooler than the one for the Megalodon. Kind of looks like the front bucket of like an excavator or something. It's got a cool little handle. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then here is the ramp. And this ramp is a little bit different too. It's got like a car in the middle of the ramp. Double side. So that is pretty sweet. And then I will show you guys the sand up close. Once again, like we did with the Megalodon. And here you go. They don't give you as much sand as what I expected. I expected to get a lot more than just this little handful. I thought it was going to come with maybe, I don't know, a bigger container like that, I was assuming. But the Kinetic sand is much better than the cheap stuff that we get from like some of the stores here that's like an Asian knockoff brand. But this stuff is actually really cool. As you can see, it like melts kind of. It's very, very sticky. So really cool. And it doesn't make as much of a mess as the stuff that we've got from Asia here. But the stuff from Asia is actually pretty good. It's only a couple bucks for like 1 kilogram of it. So like 2 pounds of it is like $1, $2, something like that. And that includes shipping too. So you really can't complain too much. It's not as messy as regular sand, but it's close. So we may start opting to get the Kinetic branded. It's a little more, actually a lot more expensive, to be honest with you. But it seems to be worth it because this is pretty cool. And the color I like better too. I don't have the other stuff next to me right now, but you could check out the video we did yesterday for the Megalodon. And you'll see the sand that we do have. I showed it in the video. So anyways, guys, these are those Kinetic sand kits for the Monster Jam from Spinmaster. So these are really sweet and such. So they are worth getting for the kids. So anyways, I will be back again tomorrow with trying to think what we're doing tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to be doing our comparison video of the two roof Porsches. So be sure to tune back in for that, and then I will talk to you then. So thanks for watching, guys, and once again, Merry Christmas. Say bye, Ethan.
Goodbye.